Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be discussing Samsung Notes, this app right here. This is a free pre-installed annotation app for Samsung devices. They have other annotation apps. You can use Adobe, you can use GoodNotes if you have iPhone, Note Shelf, Zudo, things like that. And also, you will probably hear background noise. My son is in the tub and he is wild, so just ignore that. We're just going to focus on learning about this annotation app. And if you are interested in learning how to use this free pre-installed app for Samsung devices, check this out. Okay, so like I said, we are going to be using Samsung Notes today, and I'm actually in the middle of making a planner right now. But as you can see, these are all of my notes that I've had over the years, starting from 2019. So I pretty much just synced my Samsung device, my cell phone, to my tablet, so everything just pops up here. And then you can go to settings, and then it's the first option in settings. So you just kind of agree to sync it, and then it syncs everything. You can do Microsoft OneNote with that as well. Yeah, so and then the rest of the settings are here. We have manage folders. So I pretty much just categorized everything that I have on that home page. As you saw, I categorized everything from my planners to birthday parties for my kids, my DIY projects. I was doing learning boards over the pandemic, venting sessions, because I also use this annotation app as a journal, YouTube concepts, planning a wedding, all of that stuff. Everything is in here. So let's see what else we can do. You can set up your page style and template, which you can also do that in the notes section. I'm going to show you that later. So yeah, everything is in here. I'm not going to go through everything, but we have everything here, and a lot of the things that are here, it's also in the notes. So here are all of my folders. I have some items in the trash. So we are going to start a new note. So there's a blank page that pops up. You have the option to use your keyboard. Okay, where you type, you have the option to write. Okay, you have the option to highlight. You have the option to erase. And this little tool here is like a cropping tool. So say that you wanted to crop something. Okay, I just grabbed pretty much the pen, not the highlighter, but the pen, and I was able to circle it and crop it. So this is a cropping tool. And then you have your colors. These are the colors that I picked. I don't remember how to change the colors, but these are my 3 primary colors that I use for one of my planners. This is to adjust the pen style. So we have it kind of skinny now, then we can turn it up to 100, and then it's thicker. Okay, then you can of course go back, you can go forward. Let's see what this is. Okay, it turns your writing into text. So I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, and I have a Samsung stylus that came with it. So usually on the keyboard, this is the same option right here. This is the same Okay, this is the same option. So it turns what you write into text. So there is that. We're gonna go back to the pen. I haven't really figured out what this is. I don't know. I have no idea. And then you can, let's see. A lot of this stuff I really don't even use, so I'm kind of figuring it out as we go along here. So, I mean, it really just looks like different ways to write. This tool changes your color and thickness of your written text. And then okay, this is kind of like a zoom option. And then this creates your shapes. So it'll just kind of clean them up. But you have to be specific because it will do what you tell it to. So be very specific with that. And then this canvas lock, swipe with 2 fingers to zoom in. Oh, it's not letting me zoom. Okay, whatever. All right, so that's everything up there. So we went through last week how to use a digital planner, pretty much just how to fill it out. And then these are the different tools in your toolbar that you can use. I think this actually just recently updated. You can move your toolbar. Let's see what else we got. What we're working with here. I'm actually going to put this back at the top. This reading mode. Reading mode is how you use your hyperlinks on your planners or whatever document you have. You cannot use your hyperlinks in writing mode. You can only use them in reading mode. So we're going to go back to reading mode. I don't have any hyperlinks on here, so it's nothing for me to show you, but that is a fact. And then we have the page sorter. So you can add pages. You can rearrange the pages. You can bookmark where you left off. Pull up your bookmarks. Search for a specific page. And then this is your title. So if you do ever want to search for a specific page, this is where you put your title, and then it will allow you to search. And then this paper clip right here is how you insert images. You can take a photo, you can scan a document, you can add a PDF. All of my planners come in PDF form, and they also come in the original Google Drive document so that you can save it. Say you have a Apple device and you need to, for whatever reason, save it in a different format. That's why I have it in the original format and in PDF, because however it is that you need to save it, you'll be able to save it. Okay, so this is everything that I can pull up that is compatible with my annotation app. Everything I can pull up and open from here. It has my internal storage. It has OneDrive, which I do not use, and it also has Google Drive, which I do use. So everything is here. Let's see. Okay, it's not opening from Google Drive, which it never does. I don't know why. Let's see. So we have an image. You can pull up your digital stickers from here. Let's just pull up some of these. I purchased these from Etsy. I don't remember who specifically. Okay, so that lasso crop that I was telling you about, you can pick up, let's see, I don't know why I can't zoom in today. That is not, oh, do I have a box? Yeah, that's why, because I have a box. All right, so we're going to lasso crop this sticker, the pay bill sticker. Lasso crop. It's pretty much like a freehand instead of the boxed out that kind of doesn't allow you to just pick up what you're looking for. So this is how we lasso crop, okay? And then you can anchor it to where it just kind of moves with text, or you can fit it to page. You have a lot of different little options in here, okay? So, and then we go back over here and we can move it. We can bookmark it. Let's pick up a blank page. And then you have a voice recorder, audio file, drawing, and then you have a text box. So this is the drawing screen. I don't know how to draw. If you know how to draw, this will be best for you. I'm not gonna mess with it. I don't know how to do it. And then we have the page templates to where you can do lined paper, you can do boxed paper, whatever it is that you're looking for. You can do the dotted paper for like mood boards. You can do this, I think, what is this, like a music sheet. So have a ton of different options here, and then you have PDF downloads here. So if you ever just want to create your own completely simple, blank, extremely minimalist type planner, then you can pull up your own sheets and you will be able to do that here. Okay, so we have the months, we have the weeks. This is probably a daily. You know, you have different options here for whatever it is that you're looking for. And then we've gone through the page templates. So page settings, you can change the background to your notes to whatever it is that you want it to be. And you can change the direction. So you can make it go up and down. You can make it go left and right. And you can also have 2 pages. Okay. And then what do we have next? We can go full screen. Options are limited on full screen, but you still have your toolbar, so you can still do your basic writing, note taking, or whatever it is that you want to do here. And then you can exit out of that, and you can tag it, you can save it, you can turn on your finger draw to where you can write with your finger, or you can write with your stylus. And then you can start, you can share it, you can delete it. So that is everything on the Samsung Notes Annotation app. Like I said, this is the only one that I use. 1, because it's free. 2, I actually like this better than I like Note Shelf. This one is just more flexible. You have more options to do stuff. You know, it's just to kind of personalize it and customize it how you want to. So that is why I enjoy this over Note Shelf. And then let's just title this YouTube, and then I can put it in my folder. Okay, so done. I'm done with my notes. So if you have any questions on this, if you like this video, if you want to know anything, if you want to see anything, definitely comment below. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel if you are not. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.